Hey guys, how's it going? So, one of my favorite TV shows of all time is The Simpsons. And today I want to show you guys how to draw Homer Simpson's famous donut. So, to start with our donut, we're going to begin in the middle of our paper. And I'm just going to start off by drawing a circle for the center of the donut. Now, starting right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that just goes all the way around here, like a big circle for this. And you do not need to make this circle perfect. It actually looks better if you have it like a little bit bumpy. And I'm going to end it right about there. Now, inside of here, right here, I'm going to draw a line that is just kind of wavy like this, and then goes kind of wavy to right here. Almost kind of looks like a little bit of a mouth. Then, starting right here, I'm going to just draw another wavy line. I'm going to keep it pretty close to there, and just going to connect it all the way to there. So that way it looks like there's been like a bite taken out of here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a wavy line that goes right around here, and I'm going to stop it right there. And I'm going to bring this one to here. And then I'm going to do the same thing around here. I'm going to make these lines different sizes. I want some of them to go all the way down, some of them not to. And just make them different sizes and looking like that. Then for the sprinkles. So to make the sprinkles, all you need to do is just make little skinny ovals going all over the place and in all different directions. So you just want to put these, some going sideways, some going up and down, diagonal, all over the place. Just like that. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Homer Simpson donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.